Hi there. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to record incoming phone calls using the built-in settings on many Android smartphones. This is a simple feature that can help you save important conversations, interviews, or business calls for later reference. Open the Call app. This is the app you normally use to dial numbers and check your recent calls. Now, look at the corner of the screen. You should see a three-dot icon or More menu. Tap on that icon to open them. A small menu will appear on your screen. From this list, see and tap on Settings. The Settings section allows you to manage different call features such as caller ID, block numbers, and call recording options. Next, see Call Recording or Record Calls. Tap on it to open the recording settings. Inside this menu, you may see an option called Auto Record Calls. Select this option to continue. Now, turn on the Auto Record Calls toggle. After enabling it, your phone may give you different choices, such as recording unknown numbers, selected contacts, or all calls. If you choose all calls, every incoming and outgoing call will be recorded automatically. Recorded calls are usually saved in your phone's storage and can be accessed through the call history or a recordings folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips.